Okay, now from the rails box, you're going to find a pair of legs, and there is a left and a right, and then hardware packet number 4, which attaches the leg to the side rail, and also I've got there's a long rail for these side mount beds that connect the two legs together. But first off, what we're going to do is identify which is the correct leg. So here we're on what will be the right side when it's folded up. This leg will go through this hole. Open this packet up here. From hardware packet 4, there are actually 4 of these small Teflon washers. There's a couple of thick washers with the big hole, and then there's also a couple of washers with just the hole for just for the bolt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, first off, you need to identify the correct way that leg is going to sit is in that hole, and it'll drop down, and this curved part will go underneath the bed like this. So this is the correct positioning. I'm going to take one of the small Teflon washers. I'm going to put that through the hole. This comes shipped with the nylock nut on there. I've pulled that off. I'm going to take one of the thicker metal washers, and then one of the thicker washer that's just appropriate size for the for that bolt that comes through. And then this is also the number 13, and I'm going to tighten that down. Now the key to this is tightening enough that it holds in place, but not over tightening to where it won't move properly. So you'll want to tighten that down. Now you want to make sure that the larger washer, it needs to fit over the portion of the leg that protrudes through the rail. You want to make sure that it's correctly positioned, or else it'll tighten before it should. So that leg should be, it's somewhat stiff to move. That nylock nut should hold that in place. If you over tighten it, it'll be really hard to move. So that's about correct, where it's just, there is some resistance, but it's not tight. So now I'll just go ahead and do the same thing on the other side.